Hi, welcome to Experienced Education. We are going to be running through the registration process for students. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come to the website, which is experienced.ed.com. Please note that there is no E at the beginning of that. And on this page, you'll have the login screen. So we've got our username and password, but since we don't have an account, we have to register. So we're going to click this little button down below that says register. When I click on this button, it's going to give me a 6-step process. The first step is I'm going to be putting in my activation code. So I have an activation code ready, and now I'm going to click verify code. Now, as a learner, am I under 13 or older than 13? And I am certainly older, so I'm going to click older and then sign up with email. Now I'm going to make a fictitious account, so I'm just going to put in a couple of names in here. And I will do djones@ccIlearning.com. Actually, for your username, you don't actually have to do the full email. It's up to you whether or not you want to. So I'm actually just going to take it out and just do djones for here. The next is my additional details. So I'm going to say that I want English. I'm going to choose my country, which is Canada. I'm going to choose my province, which is British Columbia, and my city happens to be White Rock. Next, I get to select my avatar. So I'm going to choose the little apple, and I'm going to click Next. Now in here, we have security and password details. So I'm going to put in here, what's my favorite color? I'm going to put in blue. What's your favorite sports team? I'm going to put Seahawks. And no judgment. And the next thing, who's your favorite actor? Who's your favorite actor? We're going to put in Tom Hanks. And then we're going to create our password. Now, it has to have a minimum of 7 characters. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put it in again to confirm. And then right down below it says, yes, I agree to Experience Ed's privacy policy and terms of use. So I'm going to say, yes, I have to accept that one. Now these next two are optional. One is so that they can contact me about promotions or services. And then the other one is about the newsletter. So I definitely want to join the newsletter. And the promotions and services, really, that's just going to be if a new course or something comes out in XED that they will notify you. All right, so I'm going to say yes to that one too. So let's click Next Step. So now we have the end user license agreement. So you are required to read through this and then click Accept and click Register. And our registration is successful. So this is wrong, so I'm going to say no to that. In here, it now gives you a button that allows you to log in. So I'm going to click on the login button. And now we can see that I've got Donald Jones and I've got my courses that my instructor has opened up for me. So it's important that you get that access code from your instructor. And that's it. You've now registered your account. You can come in and out at any time. And if you need to change any of your details, up in the far right-hand corner, you can click on Learner. And in here it says My Account, and it also gives you the Log Out button. So that's it. In the next video, we will go over the dashboard.